Let's talk about some study tips. Set clear goals. Define what you want to achieve in each study session. Having specific goals keeps you focused and motivated. Create a clear study plan. Plan your study time and allocate specific time slots for each subject or topic. And stick to your schedule as much as possible. Organize your study space. Create a clean, well-lit and comfortable study environment. Remove distractions like your phone or social media. Use active learning techniques. Engage with the material actively. Summarize what you have learned, ask questions, and quiz yourself to reinforce your understanding. Take breaks. Your brain needs time to process information. Use techniques like the Pomodoro method. Study for 25 minutes, take a break for 5 minutes. Practice regularly. Regular practice, especially for subjects like math or languages, is essential. The more you practice, the more confident you are. Stay healthy. Eat nutritious meals, exercise regularly, and get enough sleep. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. Use multiple resources. Don't rely solely on your textbooks. Utilize online resources, videos, apps, and study groups to gain different perspectives. Review and revise. Regularly review what you have learned. Spaced repetition techniques can help reinforce your memory and improve long-term retention. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you are struggling. Teachers, classmates, or online forums can provide valuable assistance and support. Thank you.